The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dunn County until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Eau Gallie, or 9 miles southwest of Menominee, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Eau Gallie, Elmwood, Weston, Downsville, Menominee Airport, Menominee, Cedar Falls, Elk Mound, Hoffman Hills Rec Area, Tater Lake, Colfax and Sand Creek. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Dunn, Wisconsin,